If your engine bay isn't that clean, I don't know what to tell you. I've never opened this before, and to be honest with you, I didn't even know what an Ecoboost looked like until right now. It's kind of disturbing, actually. But yeah, we are here today to open that air box right there and put that filter in. It's a green filter from High Performance Air Filter. Green, whatever that means. And we're gonna put it in there. So stick with me here for a moment. Looks like the tools we're gonna need for this are these. Big meaty Scottish Canadian hands. But if you have little Trump supporting little American hands, you should be able to do it no problem as well. There's a couple tricky hinges. Let's see if I can zoom in on that and show you. Oh crap. Alright, back to this now. There we go. We got the hinges off. Let's see how this comes out. And that is a factory air filter. I've got, what was it, 23,400 kilometers on the car right now. So in miles, if you're good at math like me, that would be like 97,000 miles. So let's just pull that out. And what the fuck? Oh, I guess we know why the filter's not John. I guess we know why the filters and these Ecoboosts need to be changed out so often. Let's just get that out. What? Oh, I think that you a beer monster? Yeah, the beer monster's telling me I need a break. So we'll be back in a moment. We can't even open a beer. Oh, I made a huge mess. Oh well, we'll have to clean it up. But proper way to install the air, yeah, that's what we're talking about, the air filter. Okay, yeah, I'll be back in a moment. All right, so no, nobody needs that anyways. As you can tell, I got the other filter in. We don't have no more power monsters in there. Oh, no more beer either. Let's see if it tries again. Oh god damn it, there's no beer. Anyways, yeah, we're just gonna lock that box up and then we'll do a before and after for you. Sure, it's not gonna sound much different, but you never know, they might have something good going on there. All right, we'll be back in a moment with the before and after videos. I'm about to put in the green performance air filter and we'll see what it does. Shut up, I know I don't have my seatbelt on. I'm just sitting here in the garage. But yeah. This is the before video for it. It's not much to hear. It's just the world-beating Ecoboost. Right, we finished the install. We're about to do the after video, so here goes nothing. I don't know, I don't see any difference at all, to be honest with you. I don't really, I guess we'll see what the performance gains are, but for now, I guess it is what it is.